Today we are going to learn 9th standard set language example 1.16. So represents A delta B through Venn diagram. A delta B. A symmetric difference B means A minus B union B minus A. So first we'll find what is A minus B in Venn diagram. A minus B. What is meant by A minus B? A minus B means it should present in A but it should not be there in B. So this circle represents A, but even B is overlapped on A. So this portion also belongs to A. A minus B means it should present in A, but it should not be there in B. So this portion we don't want. We want only the portion of A. So I'm going to cover only the portion of A, but here I'm not going to cover because this portion belongs even to B. So this is A minus B. Same thing now B minus A. B minus A means it should be present only in B. It should not be there in A. So I want only the portion of B. I don't want any portion of A. Here this portion A is overlapped on B. So this portion belongs to both A and B. But B minus A means I want only B. So I've covered only B. Your question is A minus B union B minus A. Union means we want all. We want even A minus B and B minus A. So we want both the things. So I'm going to write both the answers. So this is nothing but A minus B and this portion is nothing but B minus A. I want both A minus B and B minus A. So this is A delta B. To find A delta B, A minus B union B minus A. A minus B union B minus A. First I'll find A minus B. A minus B means it should present only in A. It should not be there in B. B minus A means we want only the portion of B. We don't want the portion of A. So what is the relationship between A minus B and B minus A? Union. So we want both the values of A minus B and B minus A. So A minus B I have written. Now B minus A I have written. So this is the value of A minus B union B minus A. Nothing but A delta B. Now example 1.18. Draw Venn diagram and shade the region represent the following sets. Your first question is A dash. So what is meant by A dash? So A dash means universal minus A. Universal minus A. Universal minus A. What is meant by? This circle represents A and this is B and this is universal. So universal minus A means we need A but we don't want the portion. We want universal. We don't want the portion of A. Outside portion is universal. We want the portion of universal minus A. We don't want A. B is covered, no problem. Why? Because B belongs to that universal also. So the whole circle, universal, we want universal. So I'm going to cover all the portions of universal minus A except A. I don't want the circle of A. Remaining everything we are going to cover. Universal minus A. A dash means universal minus A. Universal means we need the portion of universal but we don't want the portion of A. Next, A minus B whole dash. What is meant by A minus B whole dash? Whole dash means universal minus what is under to this? A minus B. So first we'll find A minus B. What is meant by A minus B? A minus B means we need the portion of A but we don't want the portion of B. So already we have found A minus B in the previous sum. A minus B. So we need the portion of A. We don't want the portion of B. So we'll cover only A. This portion I am not going to cover because it belongs to both. So this is A minus B. Now universal minus A minus B. Universal means the outer portion. The outer portion. So universal minus A minus B. I want the portion of universal but I don't want A minus B portion. What is A minus B portion? This is A minus B portion. This portion I don't want. So I'm going to omit this portion, and remaining everything we are going to cover. Remaining everything we are going to cover, omitting that A minus B. Omitting A minus B, we are going to cover remaining all the portions. So this is A minus B whole dash. Your question is A minus B whole dash. The meaning of A minus B whole dash is union minus A minus B. So first we'll find A minus B. This is the value of A minus B. Universal minus A minus B means we need universal. We don't want A minus B. So this is the portion of A minus B. Omitting this A minus B, remaining everything we are going to cover to get A minus B whole dash. Your next question is A union B whole dash. So what is meant by A union B whole dash? A union B whole dash means universal minus A union B. To solve this sum, first we'll find out what is A union B. A union B means we need the values of A and B. So we want all the values of A and B. So before that, this circle A, B, universal, A, B, universal. So A, B. A union B means we want A and B. We want all the portions of A and B. A intersection B means what is common in A intersection B. Here they have asked only A union B. So I have covered A union B because we want A and B. So what is meant by universal minus A minus B? We want universe. We don't want A union B. What is A union B? This is, we don't want this portion. So you omit this portion and cover the remaining portion. So remaining portions we are going to cover. So A union B whole dash means universal minus A union B. So first we'll find A union B. Universal minus A union B means we need universal, but we don't want this A union B. The A union B portion is this one. We don't want this portion. So we'll omit this portion, and what is remaining will cover, gives you A union B whole dash. Thank you, children.